Hello and welcome back. In this lesson, we'll cover two of the most important steps for podcast success: rehearsal and mindset. Let's start with rehearsal. Preparing for a podcast interview is a lot like preparing for a performance. The more you practice, the more natural and confident you'll sound when the microphone is on. Start by reviewing your key messages and your unique story, the ones we worked on in the last lesson. Think about the type of questions you might be asked and how you'll answer them. You can even write down a few likely questions and practice your responses out loud. If possible, record yourself answering these questions and listen back. This will help you notice areas where you might ramble or where your message isn't as clear as it could be. You can also ask a friend or colleague to do a mock interview with you. This gives you a chance to practice in a realistic setting and get feedback. Now, let's talk about mindset. The way you think about the interview can have a big impact on your performance. Instead of worrying about making mistakes or being judged, try to focus on the value you're bringing to your audience. Remember, you are being invited because you have something unique to share. The host and the listeners want to hear your perspective. Take a few deep breaths before the interview to calm your nerves. Visualize yourself speaking confidently and connecting with the host. Remind yourself that it's okay to be human. If you stumble over a word or need a moment to think, just keep going. Authenticity is always more important than perfection. By combining thorough rehearsal with a positive, confident mindset, you'll be ready to make the most out of every interview. In the next lesson, we'll move on to the technical side of things, setting up your equipment for a great audio and video. Thank you for joining me today. I'll see you in the next lesson.